Hello everybody, my name is Riley and welcome back to another episode of Riley's Real Food Review. Today I'm going back to my vegan roots and we're going outside. Look at this stuff. Look at this nature. See, look, there's a wild lawnmower just sitting there. Isn't nature wonderful? Look at this. Let's ride the wild lawnmower, everybody. Oh! Jesus Christ! Oh, Jesus! Okay then. Oh, calm down there, lawnmower. Oh. It's a kinky lawnmower. It likes to be choked. Okay then, never mind. I don't know where this joke went. But, yeah, today we're gonna be trying something. We're gonna be trying some stuff from Mother Nature, okay? Nothing is better than Mother Nature's food, alright? I mean, look at this. Grass. This was like beef jerky or what? Well, that was an experience. I wouldn't recommend grass. It doesn't taste very good. It's just like eating the stringy part of the celery. But, let's see what else we can find. Alright, I found something else. I got some ferns up in this. Let's try some of these. Ah. I don't know if I'm a moron or what, but I don't want to eat those because they could be poisonous. So feel free to make fun of my stupidity down in the comments because this little 13-year-old kid thinks that that ferns are poisonous. Subscribe. Oh my god, that's so cool. I don't recommend ferns. Not one bit. It's a horrible aftertaste that just stays in your mouth for 5 minutes. Not one to be put on my palate or whatever you fancy schmancy French people call your food. But yes, screw the outside. I'm going back inside. Alright, we're back inside. We got the light on. Does it make me look spooky? Does it make me look spooky, scary? No, it doesn't. This makes me look spooky, scary. Look at me. I'm a big yellow eye man. Look out. Alrighty then. Well, moving camera, I guess. Well, we're moving all the way over here. We're moving the napkins and the salts. You get to look at my John Cena shirt. Do 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 do. I don't know. Poopity poo. Jacob Sartorius. Everyday bro with that Disney Channel flow. 5 pickles in the video. Never been done before. No siree. But yes. This is quite a weird food combination if made me look like an edgy kid because I got half the sunlight on my face and half of it not, and it'll be so mysterious. Whoa! But yeah, we got some kosher dill, Clausen pickles, and we got some MLG 360 no scope Mountain Dew drink. It's always chilled, never heated pickles. Always keep refrigerated, so we're going to review the pickles first. Gotta grab me a fancy schmancy napkin. Well, give me to 1,000 subscribers, and I'll stick one of these foil napkins in the microwave. And blow my microwave up. Because I'm a moron. And I do that. But, so let's get the biggest pickle in there. Here we go. Alright. Not bad. Not bad at all. Clausen, you are a good pickle making company, I swear to you. Okay, mind my retardation because I cannot put words into a sentence. Good pickle making company. Let's check the nutrition. We gotta turn it sideways. Here, another bite of this pickle. It's crunchy. It's got the right amount of flavor. The seeds are in there, but that's okay. I like the seeds in there. And let's check the stuff on the nutritions. Serving size 1 ounce, so 28 grams, about a spear. So that's 1 ounce. Usually 14 pickles in a container. 5 calories. All you diet people, you can. There's 5 calories in a pickle. Eat a pickle each day and you'll get big and strong and thin. I'm kind of a chunky boy myself, but I don't really care. Total fat, 0 grams. Trans fat, 0 grams. Sodium, 280 milligrams. So that's probably why it tastes so good. This is my opinion. My hair looks... I didn't comb my hair a lot today. But, total carbohydrates... more than 1 gram. 0 grams is 2,000 calorie diet. Ingredients: fresh cucumbers, water, salt, distilled vinegar. Contains less than 2% of dried garlic. Alright, so that was the Clausen pickles. Picked that up at a grocery store or something, I don't care. Yeah, this is a nice pickle right here. Alright. First ever food review. You have a drinky poo. Yes, but this is the Taco Bell original Baja Blast Mountain Dew. I didn't go to Taco Bell. You can pick this up at a dollar store or something. Yep, the fern taste is definitely gone. Let's try some of this. Not too bad. It tastes like Mountain Dew, but it's dew with a blast of natural and artificial tropical lime flavor. Whoa! But let's see here. Serving size of a can. Oh, it's low sodium. That's nice. Calories amount per serving: 170 calories, 55 milligrams of salt or sodium. Total carbs, 44 grams. Sugars, 44 grams. Okay, carbonated water, fructose, corn syrup, natural and artificial flavor, citric acid, sodium benzoate, preservedness and freshness, caffeine, gum, Arabic. I'm drinking Arabics? Ew, that's cannibalism. Don't do this, kids. I'm a professional moron. Yeah, but not too bad. Alright, so, thank you for watching this edition of Riley's Real Food Review. If you liked it, please let me know with a comment, and hitting the like button if we can get up to, 2 or 3 likes. Not going for something kind of big for a 60, or I don't know how many subscribers I have because it's off. I'm going to have to look it up again. But, yeah, thank you for watching. And while you're down there, write in a comment and clicking the like button. Also, give that subscriber button a little tippity tap, because it helps out a lot. So, yes, thank you again for watching, and I will see all of you in the next one. See you later.